Hi everybody and welcome back to Builder Simulator. So I've had a look at the previous 9 tutorials I think we've perhaps done, and so I think there's another 2 or 3 to go. So let's crack on with it. Interior finishing.
The tutorial that everyone was waiting for. Here it is. Follow me. I modified a bit of the building you left out of the previous tutorial. I don't want to brag that it's prettier now, but how can you not appreciate such artistic genius? Remember the Build 24 store? It's no longer available because you no longer need anything from it at this stage of construction. Don't worry, the items you had in your inventory have been sold without any loss, as you won't need them anymore. Let's go directly to the floors. Open your tool wheel and choose floor template. Put the package on the ground first, and then, just like with walls, you can pick and choose materials.
Choose floor template and place it on the ground. So we press RB and we place that on the ground somewhere.
What type of construction are dogs good at? Nice! Use the right mouse button to indicate the area where you want to lay the selected floor type, and use the mouse wheel to change the laying direction. Accordingly, use left trigger and D-pad on the controller. Remember, if you want to change the material, you have to approach the packaging first. Now fill all the rooms with the first available material.
Okay, let's choose that one then. And well, that colour will be fine. We'll go with that one. We don't want to place it, do we? Let's put that away and let's walk up to the door again. There we go. Okay. Now what's happened to... Oh no, I don't want one of them. So let's place it back out here then. Okay, so we need that. Right. Back inside. So RT to place, pick an area, LT. Right, so we're going to pick that area. Yeah, it's all pretty much the same sort of working, to be honest, which is good because it means it doesn't get too confusing.
Great! It looks so beautiful and clean, I could eat off that floor. And now, something everyone wanted but no one expected, like finding money in an old jacket. From now on, you can buy furniture and play not only as an architect, but also as an interior designer. Welcome to Glossmer. This is where you can buy furniture, accessories, paintings, and other. But who, if not you, can handle 2 very complicated degrees? Where to get in, you only have to beat 100 other applicants for one place at the university. Now let's have some fun. Buy a bathtub.
Buy a bathtub. Okay, so down to bathroom and across to bathtub.
Good job. Now buy 2 items from the kitchen furniture set.
Kitchen furniture. What's it say? Kitchen furniture. Let's come back out. Buy 2 items from the kitchen furniture set. Yes, okay. So, kitchen furniture set. It's highlighted at the top. Is it? How do we get the cursor to go over? So, subcategories RT. Right, okay. Right. we're still wanting kitchen furniture set, aren't we? No, I didn't want to do that. These are all ovens. Where's kitchen furniture set then? Or am I being totally thick? Buy 2 items from the kitchen furniture set.
What type of construction are dogs good at? Roofing!
Shut up. Well, let's just buy a fridge and see what happens.
Good.
Alright, okay.
Now
So there we
buy
go.
a 16 by 9 picture frame.
It just meant buy 2 items from this bit. Oh, buy 1 frame. Okay, buy 1 frame, 16 by 9. So we need to come out of there, down to decorations, and we use RT to go across to there, and I want a 16 by 9 frame.
Amazing! That's all we need now. We can close up store. Any interior piece you buy can be modified to scale. Select a bathtub and use the mouse wheel or D-pad to make it smaller or larger, then place it in your house. If you bring an object close enough to a wall or other piece of furniture, the game will show you dimension lines that determine the distance from them.
So rotate, we use LT and R. Let's get it around the other way. And how do we... Oh, increase with D-pad he said, didn't he? Just trying to get this as central as I can. Oh, what have I done now? I've reset myself, haven't I?
What type of construction are dogs good at? Roofing!
Oh, I'm on the floor. Right, okay. I think I was in photo mode. Right, so let's get this bathtub again. Let's swing it around the other way, and okay, let's just get it placed there. That's fine, that'll do me.
Now let's put some kitchen furniture in your home. You can rotate each item using the right mouse button or the left trigger on the controller. With double click, you can rotate items quickly by 90 degrees. Rotating objects indicates 2 values, global and local. The one in the middle is global and suggests the exact angle of the object relative to the game world. It allows you to accurately position an object evenly, e.g. at a 90-degree angle. And the local value shows how many degrees the object was rotated relative to the previous setting. It may sound scary, but it's very simple and intuitive. If you're wondering about doors and windows, you can change them at any time by right-clicking on them using the Hands tool.
So place kitchen furniture set inside the house. Okay. So we have this oven here. So we need to rotate that by 90 degrees. And I'm going to place that there. And this big fridge, so we'll put that there.
marvelous. Hang a picture frame on your wall and you'll see what I mean. If we were real friends, I'd have
Picture
really
up here, actually.
great advice for you.
And we'll have a big one.
Great. Now click on the picture frame with the right mouse button or the left trigger on the controller. You can choose any image from the library prepared by our graphic designers or upload your own.
Okay.
You didn't miss here.
Upload your own as well.
Click on the plus, you'll see simple instructions on how to do it.
Although that will be talking from PC. I'm playing on Geforce Now, so that feature will not be available to me. But anyway, some decent pictures here. Let's choose that one. Wait a minute. Select the picture frame and apply. Select the picture in the frame menu and apply it. Let me just come back out. So we apply that. That's it. There we go.
Absolutely gorgeous. You can change the image on the wall at any time by right-clicking with the hands tool, just like with doors and windows. After uploading your own image, just open and close the image menu and the list will refresh. The last task for today will be to sell the put-up kitchen furniture. Choose scanner from the tool wheel. Walk up to the object and hold right mouse button or left trigger to sell it. You can also duplicate the item you're looking at with left mouse button. But we're focusing on quick selling. If you're happy and you know it, then let's clap.
Okay, so sell that. Okay. And sell that.
Great job!
Okay, that was easy enough.
Remember that the interiors are not obligatory, which means that you can modify them as much as you want and how you want. Paint walls, change furniture and floors until you get the effect that you want. Remember, you can put in the interior doors at any time, and you'll find them in the materials category. Choose one that fits your interior. Good luck! Yeehaw!
Okay, so that's that tutorial done. Let's move on.
Hey, hey, hey! We will build paths next. Follow me!
Now, I apologise for either not enough talking, or some might say I talk too much sometimes, but it's very awkward with this character builder. He keeps chipping in with what he's got to say and everything, and I just feel like it's best just for me to shut up and let him have his say. So hopefully it's not spoiling the video in any way. Let me know in the comments and I will know for future videos. But anyway, let's get into him.
Paths are an important part of the finishing touches around the house. If you choose the right type of paving, you can achieve a really nice effect. Let us start from the beginning. You can dig the path in the place you marked on the planner, but this time I've marked it for you. Have you ever had a more talkative sidekick? Take your shovel and dig the highlighted area.
Okay, there's our shovel. Let's get digging. So this is one of those where you can just keep the trigger pressed and just walk around and it'll all get dug up in time, even backwards, which saves a lot of time. Just do this bit. A bit down here, wasn't there? That's it. So right, I've got all this path dug out. So it says pour the sand with a shovel or wheelbarrow. So well, there's not that much to do. Let's have a go with the shovel, shall we? Although having said that, probably taking a long time to do. Let's put that away, grab the wheelbarrow. Oh, actually there was a way, wasn't there, of bringing this wheelbarrow over to the sand. I can't remember how we did that now. So let's grab our shovel again. So, right, let's get the shovel put away, grab the barrow, and let's get some of this laid. Yeah, it's a lot quicker with the barrow, to be honest. It's fill the barrow within three or four shovels worth, and you'd be, the way it was going, it was going to take about 20 shovel worths to do it just by the shovel, so a lot quicker.
Superb! The final element with paths is choosing the right paving stones. To do this, you need to open the store. Choose Paths category. Buy 100 cobblestones.
$100.
Good job.
Okay.
Now that you have the cobblestone, you can select it from your inventory. Once selected, you will be shown a menu which you can always open using PPM or left trigger on controller. Choose a pattern and complete the path.
Okay, let's have a crazy paving one, shall we? Let's go for that one.
What is the lightest kind of building you can construct? A lighthouse!
You really are getting boring now, Bill. Now, let's just move this barrow. I knew he was going to be in the way. I ought to have moved it earlier, didn't I? And now again, you can't just hold it. You've got to keep coming off the trigger button and reapplying.
Nice! At any time, you can go back to the paths and replace them by purchasing the cobblestone. That's all for now. See you later! Yeehaw!
Okay, that's another one done. Let's move on to the next one. I think this is possibly the last one.
Welcome to the source of our game. We call it Planner because it helps you design any house you want, which you then build. Sounds great? You can save your projects, and if you want to, share them with other players. How cool is that? I will guide you through the various options available. We will plan the house we have prepared to teach you how to do it. You have 4 tools to use: cursor, eraser, and add remove floor. Cursor is set by default. You can find help with every element and tool on the top left corner of the screen. Try to hide and show the help panel.
Hide and show the help panel. Now bear in mind, guys, I am playing this on a key games controller, I should say, a games pad. So when he comes up with which mouse button to press, that doesn't apply to me because I'm using a controller. So things are just that little bit different. But anyway, let's crack on with this bit. So hide and show the help panel, which is that button, I presume. Yeah, okay.
Good job! Let's start with the load-bearing walls. Select them from the elements. You can create walls in a line or rectangle by pressing Shift or X on the controller. Draw the load-bearing walls.
Pick and draw the load-bearing walls. So, okay, so that's the RB button across to tools it went to, or the cursor, and then you go down with the left stick to elements. And I select that, I presume. Okay, so I've worked it out. So I need to press, or you need to press the LB button to get to workspace, and that then brings you onto this screen, and then you get a little cursor here, which we then use to draw the wall. So we place with A. Now, if you look, if I press just once, it just places one segment. But what you can do is get it at one end and hold A and just move it the whole way along up to the top and let go, and it's put the whole lot in. So we'll come across to the left and down and finish off to there.
Good job.
Okay.
Now let's draw the plasterboard partition walls. We work on a small plot of land, so we cannot overdo. Remember that there are 3 plot sizes available in the game.
So we select that with A, and then we go to the workspace with LB, which was where I was confused last time, and we are now putting in the petition walls. So same principle, just move along to the corner, and then you have to let go for turning a corner, and then up to the top.
Amazing! I think we still need a piece of concrete partition wall. Draw a piece of concrete partition wall.
Okay, so select the concrete partition wall and press LB to get to the workspace. And then hold A and move your left stick across to get that done. Okay.
What else we might need?
So we press up and down to scale the window.
Windows! After all, everybody likes to peep at their neighbors. The windows are of different sizes. Increase or decrease them as desired. The largest windows are terrace windows. Insert 4 windows.
Okay, so we press A on Windows and then press LB to get to the workspace. Okay, so you need to, yes, that's what it was saying about scaling the window. So you need to press the D-pad up or down to get the correct size. That's it. Okay, so you need to select the correct size before placing the window. So for these down here, I'm going to have to press down on the D-pad to reduce the size, and that will allow me to then place those. Okay. It's all a learning curve, isn't it? As I keep saying.
Good job! To get into rooms, we need doors. Insert 2 interior doors. You can rotate them freely and change the direction of the door opening. See the help panel for available options.
Okay, so the doors go there. So we'll have them opening the other way. So to rotate the element, we press RT. Okay, that's got... No, that doesn't work. Flip element. That's better. Place that. And we will have the same on that one.
Looks
Okay.
nice! Now we need to add an external door to get inside.
So press RB down to front door and press LB to get back to this, and that needs to open inside as well, so we need to flip it, which was LT, and place that.
You can check anytime whether the building meets the minimum criteria. Now let's put the stairs in. You are free to rotate them, but for the purpose of the tutorial, place them in the indicated position.
Okay, so RB down to stairs, LB to go to workspace, and place them there.
Nice! I think we should add a floor. Add a floor by clicking on the option available next to the eraser.
So RB across to add floor.
Great!
A to confirm.
Now you can move freely between levels. Everything you did on the ground floor, you can do on the first floor. Except for swimming pools and paths, but that's common sense, right? The load-bearing walls of the building go from level to level as
So
the
I'm
base
assuming
of the
we
building,
click.
and you can't move them after adding a floor. Now, we could also put in a swimming pool and paths. Let's go to the ground floor. A swimming pool is simply a rectangle.
Okay, so
for
we're still on
which
the
you need
ground
enough
floor then.
space to designate it. Draw a swimming pool next to your house.
Okay. So it's the same principle, I'm assuming, as you actually you can pull out the square basically. It's a bit like selecting an area on a computer screen.
Good job.
Okay.
I think we might need some path to the swimming pool, don't you think?
So select
Let's
path.
choose a path, increase it a little, and draw it to the end of the pool. After you mark out the path, you put paving stones in their place.
So we put that in the corner, draw it out.
Great! Let's check that we have everything.
Okay, so we press the check button.
Amazing! Let's save this project. Call it how you like.
Save the project. So it's RB across to, well, we're already over there, so we move the left stick over to the save, and we press that, and now this is sometimes what happens when you're playing on the Nvidia Shield TV, which is what I'm doing, that you sometimes need your keyboard handy to save the file, which I haven't got at the moment. So let me just sort that out. Okay, so keyboard sorted, and let's call it beat one we'll go for, and save it.
Great! Now you'll be able to build this on any available level on the medium plot of land. The largest plot is huge, so lots of creative fun ahead. However, if you don't want to spend time designing houses, you can use the random option. See you later! Yeehaw!
Okay, congratulations, and we're pressing B to go back to the menu, so I'm assuming, yeah, that is all of the tutorials, guys. So we don't have the tutorial option anymore, so it's assuming that we know everything we've learnt and have remembered it all. So let's hope we have. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and we will hopefully catch you in the next one. So take care, guys, and bye for now.